everyone, my name is Seogyung. I'm in the 6th grade. I go to Gapcheon Elementary School. I live in Daejeon. Let's make the cookie house. Today I make cookie house. Cookie house has a door, windows, and roof. I need cookies and sugar powder. Build the column for a house. Then roof the house with biscuit. Decorate it with colorful cookies. It's cute and yummy. Thank you for listening.